The automotive world is abuzz with anticipation as Hyundai gears up for the release of the 2025 Hyundai Tucson. Buyers are interested in the intricacies of what's brewing under the hood and beneath the camouflage, and that's exactly what we'll be discussing today, answering the ultimate question: should you wait for the new 2025 Hyundai Tucson? Let's dive in. The Hyundai Tucson, once the epitome of a defensive utility, underwent a dramatic transformation in 2022. Fast forward to the present, and whispers of a 2025 refresh are already circulating. Hyundai seems to be keeping their cards close to the chest, though, but if history is any indication, the Tucson might be in for more than just a routine touch-up. Spy shots from the keen-eyed folks at Motor One give us a sneak peek at the camouflage 2025 Tucson. While the exterior is well hidden, we catch a glimpse of widened headlights, subtly tweaking the familiar aesthetic. The signature dual grille remains, showcasing Hyundai's commitment to a distinctive front end. The wheels, with their ultra-modern asymmetric design, hint at a harmonious blend of style and functionality. Delving deeper, it's evident that Hyundai is taking a more subtle approach this time around. The updated lighting signature brings a modern flair, complemented by a redesigned grille. The front bumper, now featuring a noticeable vertical slat, adds a touch of sophistication. Speculation mounts about a revamped rear bumper and refreshed taillight design, completing the exterior makeover in style. Moving beyond the exterior, Hyundai takes secrecy to a new level with the interior. Although expertly disguised, whispers in the automotive corridors suggest a touch of modernity awaits. Improved software for digital instruments and entertainment systems is on the horizon, alongside a potential redesigned steering wheel. The minimalist and sophisticated design inherited from the Palisade is likely to get a subtle refresh, promising a refined cabin experience. There is also the addition of a redesigned center console, featuring the electric parking brake and gear shifter, so you can expect new upholstery options and an extended selection of exterior colors and wheel styles, promising a modern and customizable interior. However, what can we expect within the hood? Well, under the hood, the 2025 Tucson is not expected to stray far from its current lineup. European buyers can choose from the reliable 1.6-liter petrol engines, either in front-wheel drive guise with 148 horsepower or all-wheel drive with 178 horsepower, both featuring mild hybrid assistance. For those with a penchant for more power, there are two 1.6-liter options with substantial electric boosts, 226 horsepower full hybrid, and a 261 horsepower plug-in model. The US market, however, diverges slightly, offering a naturally aspirated 187 horsepower, 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine for the entry level, with hybrid and plug-in hybrid electric vehicles upgrades available. In any case, while minimal tweaks might grace the powertrains, the focus seems to be on maintaining the winning formula. And that's not bad at all if you ask me. What do you think? Leave a comment in the comments box below. For me, the Hyundai Tucson is more than just a stylish exterior and a refined interior. It's a versatile vehicle built for the everyday lifestyle. Whether your day involves dropping off the home team at school or conquering the weekend with all-wheel drive, Tucson as you covered. The hands-free smart liftgate provides convenient access to over 40 cubic feet of cargo space, expandable to over 80 cubic feet with a 60 by 40 split fold-down and reclining rear seats. And come 2025, the Hyundai Tucson will step into the arena facing off against the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, Kia Sportage, Mazda CX-5, Volkswagen Tiguan, and Subaru Outback. While it may not match the RAV4's popularity, the Tucson has etched its name as a solid contender over nearly 2 decades, and the upcoming tweaks are poised to keep it firmly in the game. However, acknowledging that the Tucson might not match the sales juggernaut that is the Toyota RAV4, Hyundai remains steadfast in its formula. The midlife refresh for the 3-year-old compact SUV suggests that changes will be strategic, focusing on new lights, grille and bumper tweaks, and maintaining the Tucson's unique identity. The big question remains unanswered, though: when can we expect the 2025 Tucson to make its debut? But right before we talk about that, if you're enjoying this video and are sure you would love to see more of our content, please hit that like button and subscribe to become part of our community. Thank you for doing that. So Hyundai, playing it coy, is yet to announce an official release date. However, industry insiders anticipate an unveiling next year for select markets. However, the US market might have to wait until the 2025 model year to experience the upgraded SUV. As for pricing, the current range of $28,585 to $46,535 is likely to see a modest increase with the refresh, though the added features might just justify the uptick. Reflecting on the Tucson's journey from its humble beginnings on the compact SUV stage to its current status as a Hyundai success story, it's clear that evolution is the name of the game. Now in its 4th generation, the 2025 Tucson is gearing up for a transformation that, while not a complete overhaul, promises experiences that could keep anyone, whether a Hyundai fan or not, wanting more from this amazing name. The decision to wait for the new 2025 Hyundai Tucson is rife with anticipation and promise. As Hyundai readies its compact SUV for a mid-cycle refresh, the subtle yet significant updates suggest that the Tucson is far from needing serious improvements. If you're in the market for a versatile, stylish, and tech tech-savvy compact SUV, the 2025 Tucson might just be the upgrade you've been waiting for. Keep those eyes peeled, mark your calendars, and get ready for a new chapter in the Tucson's modification. The road ahead looks sleek and promising. But if you still are having second thoughts, here's another car you could wait for, and this time, there will be definitely no doubts. See you next in this video.